Your first question: how many times India has won the Cricket World Cup? Answer: 2 times. Second question: which state is known as the Spice Garden of India? Answer: Kerala. Third question: which country is known as the land of rising sun? Answer: Japan. Fourth question: which is the longest river of India? Answer: Ganga River. Fifth question: what was the old name of Mumbai? Answer: Bombay. Sixth question: which is the largest bank in India? Answer: SBI. Seventh question: what is the name of the aquatic animal of India? Answer: river dolphin. Eighth question: which place is called the Pink City in India? Answer: Jaipur. Ninth question: Kolkata is situated on the banks of which river? Answer: Hooghly River. 10th question: what is the national sport in India? Answer: hockey. 11th question: how many players are there in a basketball team? Answer: 5 players. 12th question: the capital of Gujarat is? Answer: Gandhinagar. 13th question: which of the following blood group in a universal donor? Answer: O. 14th question: the character of Gabbar Singh in the famous film Sholay is played by? Answer: Amjad Khan. 15th question: the disease survey is caused by the deficiency of which vitamin? Answer: vitamin C. 16th question: who was the first person to set foot on the moon? Answer: Neil Armstrong. 17th question: who is the popularly known as Punjab Kesari? Answer: Lal Rajpat Rai. 18th question: which is the fastest moving creature in the world? Answer: cheetah. 19th question: how many years did the British rule for India? Answer: 200 years. 20 question: how many legs does a spider have? Answer: 8 legs. 21 question: which is the oldest game of India? Answer: wrestling. 22 question: how many wars has India fought with Pakistan so far? Answer: 4 wars. 23 question: which disease does radish cure? Answer: sugar. 24th question: which fruit heating on an Empty stomach kills a person. Answer: mango. 25th question. Which is the largest state in India by population? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. 26th question. Which is the longest river on earth? Answer: Nile River. 27th question. Which color symbolizes peace? Answer: white color. 28th question. Which creature has colorful feathers? Answer: butterfly. 29th question. Which planet is closest to the Earth? Answer: Venus. 30 question. In which state of India is petrol produced? Answer: Assam. 31 question. Who gave the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan? Answer: Lal Bahadur Shastri. 32 question. Which is the most favorite color of a cow? Answer: green color. 33 question. What makes you grow faster by eating more eggs? Answer: strength. 34th question. Which country of people eating snakes? Answer: China. 35th question. Which is the most spoken language in India? Answer: Hindi. 36th question. In which country is fine imposed for not voting? Answer: Australia. 37th question. Which is the state tree of Karnataka state? Answer: sandalwood tree. 38th question. Who is called the king of fruits? Answer: mango fruit. 39th question. Dawn is the newspaper of which country? Answer: Pakistan. 40 question. How much does the heart of a blue whale weigh? Answer: 600 kg. 41 question. When was the first phone launched in India? Answer: 1992. 42 question. What is the age of obtain a license in India? Answer: 18 years. 43 question. Which is the longest desert in the world? Answer: Sahara Desert. 44th question. What is the national song of India? Answer Vande Mataram. 45 question. Who composed the national song of India? Answer Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. 46 question. Who built the Taj Mahal in Agra? Answer Shah Jahan. 47th question. Which of the following animal gives us wool? Answer sheep. 48th question. Who said, "You give me blood, I will give you freedom"? Answer Subhash Chandra Bose. 49th question. Milkha Singh is associated with which of the following sports? Answer athletics. 50 question. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Answer Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. 51 question. When is Teachers' Day celebrated? Answer September 5. 52 question. Which bird lays its eggs in a crow's nest? Answer Koel. 53 question. In which city is the Gateway of India is located? Answer Mumbai. 54 question. When does India celebrate Republic Day? Answer January 26. 55 question. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Answer Mercury planet. 56 question. Which month has fewest days? Answer February month. 57 question. How many in 10 million? Answer 1 crore. 58th question. Which animal is called the sheep of the desert? Answer camel. 59th question. How many states are there in India? Answer 28. 60 question. What is a flightless bird? Answer duck. 61 question. What is a computer brain? Answer CPU, control processing unit. 62 question. Do we get solar energy? Answer sun. 63 question. Virat Kohli is associated with which sport? Answer cricket. 64 question. Which organ pumps our blood? Answer heart. 65 question. Who is the father of our nation? Answer: Mahatma Gandhi. 66th question. How many sides does a triangle have? Answer: 3. 67th question. Who wrote the national anthem Jana Gana Mana? Answer: Rabindranath Tagore. 68th question. How many days is February in a leap year? Answer: 29 days. 69th question. A person who plays music is called? Answer: musician. Your 70th question. Which insect has colored wings? Answer: butterfly. 71st question. Which animal is called king of the forest? Answer: lion. 72 question. Name the game which is played with bat, ball and wicket. Answer: cricket. 73 question. Which animal has a hump on its back? Answer: camel. 74th question. In which festival do we play with colors? Answer: Holi festival. Your last question. The place where animals and birds kept. Answer: zoo.